Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix CashApp referral code not showing. For example, if you have created a CashApp account and if you want to share your referral code to someone and you see that any referral code is not showing, then how you can fix that. So what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. The first thing you have to do is, if you are using Android phone, you have to simply press and hold the app, and after that you have to simply go to app info. And if you are using iOS device, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and look for the Cash app, and after that you have to simply offload the app. And for Android device, you have to, first of all, you have to simply click on force stop, and here you have to simply clear the cache of your app. And after that, what you have to do, and you have to check whether the problem has been fixed or not, which means now referral code is showing or not. If it is still not showing the referral code, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS device, and you have to simply search for Cash App, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Cash App, because many problems are fixed by the updated version of the app. Now if the problem is still there, what you have to do, you have to simply open a new browser, which may be Chrome, and here you have to simply open a new tab, and here you have to simply search for Cash App Support, and you have to simply search for Cash App Support, and here you have to simply go to contact Cash App Support, and here you have to simply provide them the problem you're having. You can simply mail them, or you can simply have them chat in your app, which you can simply get in your app. If you open Cash App, then you can easily find the Cash App support section, and where you can simply start a chat and having a chat with the Cash App support team, and they will solve the problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.